Hi everybody, I'm out here at Kylene Woods State Park, Minnesota, near Lakefield, Minnesota. It's June 22nd, and this is kind of an old piece of remnant prairie here. As you can see, not sure it was never plowed, but it's got that prairie look to it. A lot of diversity of plants and wildflowers, birds, insects. Just saw a bluebird here. You can see the soybean field over there. Soybean field just beyond that fence there. So it's good that some of these remnant prairies are left intact. There's not much left of it. This is where the biodiversity is that future generations are going to need to survive on this planet. And this prairie here is, when rainwater falls, it soaks right into the ground, just doesn't run off. So it recharges the aquifer with good clean water. It also keeps the streams clean. Also doesn't add nitrates to the groundwater like corn production does. And you can hear the birds here. Again, they start singing at 4:30 in the morning here. Yesterday was the longest day of the year. Today's pretty long too. These are some of the longest days of the year right now. You see the clouds up there. There's the bathroom and shower house for the campground right over there. And real green here. I just got back from South Dakota. Pretty kind of brown out there. It's a lot windier too, not as humid. And you don't have the shade like you do here. But that's got its own beauty, prairie beauty. You can see a long ways out there. Got some killer sunsets out there. Although last night's sunset was pretty nice. The sun didn't go down till about 9 o'clock at night. Didn't get dark till about 10. Then it started getting light again about 4 a.m. So I slept pretty good last night. Had some interesting dreams. I have a little recorder, audio recorder that I record my dreams. When I wake up, I just punch a button and write down what I remember. Get the traces of whatever the dream was. They're always pretty interesting. They kind of have kind of metaphoric qualities to what I'm going through during my conscious day. Thought-provoking, sometimes precognitive. So my brain is working 24/7. Even when I'm sleeping, it's working. Those dreams are pretty interesting sometimes. So anyway, we'll catch you later, and have a good day.